Ever wondered how to transform data in Power BI? Well, you've come to the right place. Today we're diving into the world of data transformation, a crucial step in preparing your data for analysis. And to do this, we'll be using a tool within Power BI called Power Query Editor. Why not start at the beginning? First, open up Power BI and click on the Get Data option on the Home tab. From here, choose your data source. It could be an Excel spreadsheet, a SQL server, or a CSV file. Once you've connected to your data source, it's time to start transforming. Next, click on the Transform Data option. This opens up the Power Query Editor. This is where the magic happens. The Power Query Editor gives you a preview of your data. You can see the structure of your tables and columns and start to get a sense of what needs to change. Perhaps there are rows in your data that aren't needed. To remove these, click on the drop-down arrow next to a column header and uncheck the values you want to exclude. And what about those unnecessary columns? Just right-click on the column header and select Remove. Now let's make those columns work for you. Right-click on a column header and choose Rename to give a column a more descriptive name. You can also sort and filter data by right-clicking on a column header and selecting the desired option. Sometimes a column might contain multiple pieces of information. To split it into separate columns, select the column, go to the Transform tab, and choose Split Column. Conversely, if you need to combine two or more columns into one, select them, go to the Transform tab, and choose Merge Columns. You can also change the data type of a column by selecting the column, going to the Transform tab, and choosing the appropriate data type. And don't worry about missing values. Replace or fill those by selecting the column, going to the Transform tab, and choosing Replace Values or Fill Down options. To aggregate data, group rows based on specific columns. Select the column, go to the Transform tab, and choose Group By. And if you need to transform your data structure, pivot or unpivot columns, select the columns, go to the Transform tab, and choose Pivot or Unpivot. After you've completed the necessary transformations, click on Close and Apply in the Power Query Editor to apply the changes to your Power BI model. And remember, if your data changes, you can refresh your Power BI report to apply the transformations to the updated data. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to transform data in Power BI. The Power Query Editor provides a robust set of tools for more advanced transformations, making it a powerful tool for cleaning and shaping your data. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to make the most of your data.